So imagine you used a numeric keypad, which we don't let you use on stage, to type out all the integers from 1 to 10,000 inclusive. What is the result when you subtract the digit on the keypad used least often from the digit on the keypad used most often? So that's most minus least. Is it -1, 1, 5, or 9? Or maybe on this one we'll ask the audience. I want to begin by clapping or perhaps waving very loud foam fingers. How many people think it's A, -1? How many people think it's B1? How many people think it's C5? That's what people say, that's ludicrous. Why did you type that? And how many people think it's D9? Which will be tough to do, but it could happen. There we go. All right. So 1 seemed to be the most popular one. All those, we'll see what the correct answer is. It was 1. 3 got it right. Very good. Who got that right? So Ankan, Casey, and Allison. So Casey, do you want to tell us how you got 1? Was that you switched at the last minute? What did you have before that?
A.
You had A, -1.
Yeah.
All right. So you had. So what 2 were you thinking of?
0 and 1.
Yeah, that's good. It's honing up. That's right. And so, so first you thought it was the reverse of what it actually turns out to be.
Yeah.
Were you checking it on the keypad that you have in front of you? The one, the A, B, C, D, where you signal in? I just realized that myself. It would have been a great thing. It might take a lot of time, but you might get to see a pattern. No, what made you switch?
I read the question again.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think that's a good test. Sometimes teachers say that. Make sure you read the question and understand. Oh, and so did you have it in reverse or?
Yeah.
Oh, that would have been bad. All right, so I'm glad, good that you read the question again. And good for 3 of you getting it right. That's a hard question. So we'll see now what that does to the score. So we have Ankan and Allison still tied for first with 1,700 points. And then Abhishek has 1,000 points. Sameer has 800 points. And Casey has 700. All right, here comes question 7. For 700 points. If you had pi to the pi to the pi, so that exponent is pi to the pi in parentheses there, pennies, how many of the following would be possible, at least theoretically? Laying pennies end to end from the earth to the moon, so we say that theoretically because it's a very hard thing to do in practice. Purchase, and this could be tough too, purchase every song on iTunes, buy every cell in every human being on earth for $10 per cell, or balance the U.S. federal budget for a year. So that's the yearly deficit. That's not the debt. It's the deficit. So balance the budget for a year. So which one of those, or how many of those would be possible? Is it 1 of those, 2 of those, 3 of those, or all are possible? So Sameer, you had a little bit of a last. What did you switch to?
I thought it was way too bigger than I initially thought. So I second guessed on myself. Yeah.
So did you get what estimate did you get for that number?
So I just rounded pi to be a little more than a 3.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 to 3 is 27, and 3 to the 27 is
big.
Big, yeah. So
yeah, a little fun with exponential growth. Yeah, and a little bit bigger, affects it, when you get to big numbers like that. But we'll see what the correct answer. Oh, so what did you pick then, Sameer, at the end?
Ooh, I thought A, just 1 of them.
Just 1 of them? All right. So we'll see what the correct answer is. Oh, look at this. So the pies, the pennies have fallen on our little bar graphs there. And so where do these line up, you think? Is that A, C, and D? Okay. All right. So who chose C is correct. And then Ankan, you got that? All right. And how did you get that?
Okay, so yeah, I basically think some weird said it, and then I thought all of them were possible except for pi in the cells in the human body.
Mm-hmm. And then what kind of estimate did you get for pi to the pi to the pi? Did you do like 3 to the 27th 2, or did you do?
So once I converted to like base of 10, I got something around 10 to the 14 pennies. So I used that to try to see which ones would be possible.
Now we'll see what that does to the score. Ankan, you're in first place by yourself right now with 2,400. Allison right behind with 1,700. Allison in second place. Then Abhishek with 1,000 points. Sameer has 800 points, and Casey has 700 points.